Have you ever wondered why some people do the multiplication in just few seconds? You give them a multiplication and they will give you the reply in no time. It's called speed mathematics. And there is a very famous system of multiplication called Trachtenberg system of multiplication, which is used for these speed multiplications. Here we will see few examples. First, for multiplication by 5 and for multiplication by 6. So let's start with a small number such as you have to multiply 6 times 5. Now, if you know the table of 6 or the table of 5, you can easily give the answer. 6 times 5 is 30 because we have remembered it. But what if there is a big number? Let's say it's not 6 times 5, it is 36 times 5. We cannot learn the table of 36 or for that matter any big number. So to get the result, there is the system called half the neighbor plus 5 if the number is odd. So we have two kinds of numbers. First is even number and then we have odd numbers. Even numbers, they are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. They are divisible by 2. Then odd numbers, these are 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Now the neighbor means the neighbor of the number in the right. So the neighbor of 3 is 6. The neighbor of 6, since there is no number, so here we have no number. And the neighbor of 3, we write a 0 here. Now let's start the multiplication using this method. First we have to half the neighbor. Now since the neighbor here is none, we write 0 here. At the units place, we have 0. Then the neighbor of 3 is 6. So we half the neighbor. Half of 6 is 3. And since 3 is an odd number, so we add 5 to it. Because we have to add 5 if the number is odd. So we are talking about this number. If this number is odd, then we add 5 to half of this neighbor. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So we write 8 here. Now neighbor of 0 is 3. Half of 3 is 1 decimal 5. But here we will not take this decimal 5. We will discard it and we will take half of 3 as 1. And since 0 is an even number, so we don't need to add 5. We write 1 here. So 36 times 5 is 180. If you master this method, you can give the answer in just few seconds. Now let's take a bigger number so that you can understand the importance of this trick. You can play this game with your friends and they will be amazed to see how quickly you can multiply. Let's say you have 6, 8, 7, 4 times 5. Now 4 has no neighbor. We write 0 here. Then neighbor of 7 is 4. Half of 4 is 2. But 7 is an odd number. So we add 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Next, neighbor of 8 is 7. Half of 7 is 3.5. But we take 3. 8 is an even number. So we don't need to add anything. We write 3 here. Then neighbor of 6 is 8. Half of 8 is 4. And 6 is an even number. So just write 4. Then we write a 0 here. Now neighbor of 0 is 6. Half of 6 is 3. So answer is 34370. Let's check it in the calculator. 6874 times 5 is equal to 34370. Answer is correct. Do you want to check with bigger numbers? Let's do it. Let's take a much bigger number. Let's say 5, 8, 6, 9, 7, 4. We are taking random numbers here. Multiply it by 5. If you do it with traditional method, you will take more than 5 minutes. But here, if you master this method, it's a matter of few seconds. Now 4, there is no neighbor, so we write 0 here. We write 0. Then half of 4 is 2. 7 is an odd number, so 2 plus 5, write 7. Then half of 7 is 3.5, but we will take 3. And 9 is an odd number, so 5 plus 3 is 8. Then half of 9 is 4.5, but we will take only 4, discard the decimal 5. 6 in even number, so write 4. Then half of 6 is 3. 8 is an even number, so we write 3. Now neighbor of 5 is 8. Half of 8 is 4. 5 is an odd number, so we add 5 to it. 5 plus 4 is 9. Write 9. Neighbor of 0 is 5. Half of 5 is 2.5, but we will take 2. So answer is 2, 9, 3, 4, 8, 7, 0. Let's check it with calculator. So we understood how multiplication with 5 is done using this Trachtenberg system of multiplication. Now you can do it, practice it, and play this game with your friends. Now for multiplication by 6, the method is same, just a little bit of addition, that the number is also included. So the rule is, to each number half the neighbor plus 5 if the number is odd. So this rule is same, half the neighbor plus 5 if the number is odd, and one thing is added to each number, that means the number is also included for multiplication by 6. Let's take an example. 5, 4, 3 times 6. Again the neighbor is 0, but the number is also included, so we take 3, but 3 is an odd number, so we add 5. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Next the neighbor is 3. Half of the neighbor is 1 plus 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we write 5 here. Next, the neighbor of 5 is 4. Half of 4 is 2. But 5 is an odd number, so we add 5 to it. And then the number itself will be added. So plus 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So we write 2 of 12. 1 is carryover. For the carryover, we just write a dot here. That means there is one carryover. Then we write a 0 here. Neighbor of 0 is 5. Half of 5 is 2. And 2 and plus this carryover 1 is 3. So answer is 3, 2, 5, 8. Now let's take another example to better understand it. Let's say we take 2-digit number 43 times 6. There is no neighbor, so we take 3, but 3 is an odd number, so we add 5 to it. So it will be 5 plus 3, 8. So write 8 here. Then neighbor of 4 is 3. Half of 3 is 1 plus the number itself. So 4 plus 1, 5. Write 0 here. Half of 4 is 2 and the number itself 0. So it will be 258. Is it clear now? Let's take another example on a big number. 5, 8, 7, 6, 4, 5 times 6. Can you do it quickly? No neighbor here, but 5 is an odd number. So to each number, we have to add 5 if the number is odd. So 5 is an odd number, so we add 5 plus 5. That gives us 10. Write 0 of 10 and 1 is carryover, so write a dot here. Then 4. Neighbor of 4 is 5. Half of 5 is 2 plus 4. Then this carryover plus 1. So write 7 here. Remove this carryover. Then neighbor of 6 is 4. Half of 4 is 2 plus the number itself 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Write 8 here. Then neighbor of 7 is 6. Half of 6 is 3 plus the number itself. But 7 is an odd number, so we add 5 to it. So it is 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Write 5 of 15 and 1 is carryover. Then half of 7 is 3. Then add the number itself plus 8. It's an even number, so we don't need to add 5 here. Plus 1 carryover. So it is 12. Write 2 here. Remove this carryover. Now carryover is here. Now neighbor of 5 is 8. Half of 8 is 4. And the number itself 5 will be added. And 5 is an odd number. So we add 5 here plus 1 carryover. So it is 15. Write 5 of 15 and 1 is carryover here. Write 0 here. Half of 5 is 2 plus 1 carryover plus 0 the number itself, so it is 3. So answer is 3525870. So it's a matter of practice. You just do the half at the number itself and add a 5 if the number itself is an odd number. So it is 3525870. Check it with calculator. Now tell me the answer of this. 68775432 times 6. And tell me how much time did you take to find the answer. Let me know if it was less than 1 minute. Thanks for watching.